Thanks for tuning in with Phantom Fuel Systems. What we have here is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Ecodiesel that we took before and after readings with the Ezlynk Auto Agent 2.0. We wanted to monitor the exhaust gas temperatures, the fuel injection volume, and other temperatures all along this run. We ran two baselines, a baseline A and a baseline B, and we'll go over some of those values. So real quickly, the EGTs are your green line. This is our speed. We set cruise control to 65 miles an hour. This is a 4x4 unit, just a quick note. Here's our EGR temperatures, and then the fuel rate is in black, and then the bottom line, the boost pressure. So here we're on flat ground on this graph. You can see we're holding 19 for volume, 693 for EGTs. And then we switch over to with the fuel unit installed, you can see we've gone down now in fuel injection rate from 19 to 15. Our EGTs from 693 to 638. So we dropped 60 degrees in temperature. Do note that our baselines are all with the DPF with less particulate buildup, and you see all of our after runs are with more particulate buildup. So our EGT should actually be higher if the truck was left stock with the less flow, but you can see from the graphs we've lowered the exhaust gas temperatures from getting a complete burn in the fuel. If I go to the next graph, this is under more pressure. Our boost temperatures have climbed up, boost pressures have climbed up, EGTs are up there. So we go to the same data points, same high boost. We're at the peak of boost, and look, we're 924, 874, from 39 volume down to 37 volume. So this is clear evidence the Phantom Fuel System works. You can take these before and afters anywhere you want, all along these graphs. You can see how the fuel rate line has dropped each way. The exhaust gas temperatures stay lower. See how they're all up here? They're all lower. Same with this baseline run. We switch back and forth. The green line, it's higher in the baseline. It's lower with the fuel unit installed. Same speed, same run, same route. Fuel rate's higher, fuel rate's lower. Fuel rate's higher, fuel rate's lower. So contact us if you have any questions about Phantom Fuel Systems. Thank you.